Hello friends, welcome to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to talk about one buy stock, one sell stock, and my review about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So friends, in yesterday's video, I gave you, or today morning's video I can say, I gave you TCS for a sell friends. Okay, it was here. I gave it for a sell, covered wonderful profits here. And I gave you IndusInd Bank for a buy. It started here and covered a wonderful profit here as well. The reason why I gave this, it's all there in the previous video. If you want to know, just go ahead and see the video. You will have all the details there. And if you are still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and also share it with your friends and family members. Basically anyone who is interested to make money from trading and from stock market. Coming to today's video friends, see, Nifty has started somewhere here and we were bullish and it went straight up. Okay, Bank Nifty, similar story, started here, one move down and up. Okay, Bank Nifty closed above this particular resistance. Nifty closed little above the resistance. Now, to give you a clear picture of what is next, I will have to pull up the chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty index friends. Okay, so there it comes. Now Nifty friends, look at this. It has been continuously rallying upwards. Okay, this is on a daily time frame. Okay, hope you are seeing that. Now, where is the next resistance for Nifty? The next resistance is here. Okay, somewhere in April. Okay, that is the point where it will touch. Now, if I stand here, let me tell you something about this letters O, H, L, C. Okay, have you ever wondered what these letters are? Anyways, let me give you a clear picture. O is opening of a particular candle. H is high of that candle, L is low of that candle, and what is C? Guess, otherwise I'll tell you, don't worry. See, now we'll come here, you can see that the opening of this candle was at 18,880. So that point is going to act as the next resistance. Okay, H is 18,095 friends, you can see it here. Okay, that will act like a second resistance. L, what is L? L is 17,021. Let me see again, 17,921, and we have already crossed that, so that will not act like a resistance anymore. And C is close friends, it's not center. Okay, don't worry. So now this would be the next resistance for Nifty if you are looking at the index chart. And for Bank Nifty, this resistance is already crossed. This resistance is already crossed. The next resistance is here friends. Okay, what is it? It is 40,160. We are at 670. So around 300-400 points upwards is the next resistance. So, coming back to our charts for the future, we are bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty still, and I hope you captured this momentum friends. There was a clear cut breakout here, okay, followed by a up move as we rightly expected. And if you look closely, there was also a head and shoulder pattern which was formed. I'll show it to you. This is your head and this is your shoulder, followed by a breakout. And after this breakout, we didn't get any retracement, we straight went upwards. And why did this happen? This happened because of today's expiry. During expiry, what happens is the premiums are very low for the options, so it is very easy for any stock or option to quickly move upwards. Okay, hope you understood the logic behind this. Now coming to view for tomorrow, friends, if you look at it, global market is currently little positive and it is sideways. So tomorrow morning we can expect a sideways or a opening where it closed today. Okay, somewhere close to this 50 points up or down. Okay, here also 50 points, 20-30 points up or down in case of Nifty, and in case of Bank Nifty it will be 50 points up or down. Oh, this is not the chart for Nifty, friend. This was chart for Bank Nifty. Let me pull up the chart for Nifty here. Anyways, this is the chart for Nifty. Not much of a change than what I just told. Almost the same thing. Little bit here and there. That's all. Okay. So see, I was telling you that Bank Nifty has moved much up compared to Nifty. Nifty almost faced that resistance and stayed somewhere close to that only. Anyways, coming to the buy stock for today. I have just done the research. Okay, buy stock is NTPC, friends. And reason? Look at this trend line, friends. This trend line has to be broken. I am giving you the stock even before the breaking of this trend line. Reason? See, when it went from here till here, okay, and it started coming up and making higher highs. Okay, this is a higher high, this is a higher high, and this is a higher high. That means it cannot go further down. Okay, so it has started going up from here. And second thing, there is a gap here. This gap is going to act like a support. Okay, now third point, if I draw a Fibo from the recent bottom to the recent top, okay, where are we? See, we are at the first bullish levels. Okay, first level of retracement is this. From here we faced rejection, it came straight up. This trend line acted like a resistance, came down. Again there was attempt to go up. Then here if you closely monitor in a smaller times frame, this is what you see, friends. What do you see? We see a kind of a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, and if you look closely, there is a breakout. Okay, do we see this breakout? So you have already seen what happened in case of Bank Nifty after this head and shoulder. So something similar is expected in NTPC. In my opinion, there will be a gap up opening somewhere close to this particular zone. Okay, this zone is what I am talking about, which is close to 162 to 163. Okay, that's what we are expecting in NTPC. What would be our target? Our target would be the high, which is 163.79 or 163.8. Coming back to 5 minutes, that will give you a clear picture. Okay, that would be our target on NTPC. Coming to the sell stock for today, and I am choosing DIVISLAB for sell, friends. And reasons are pretty similar. First reason, look at this, friends. Where is Divis Labs? Divis Labs has not touched this top. Nifty has already crossed the top. Nifty and Bank Nifty. Divis Labs could not make it to the top. Second reason, if I draw this trend line, look at this carefully, friends. Okay, touch point 1, touch point 2, touch point 3, touch point 4, fifth touch point, there was a clear breakdown followed by a retracement. Okay, so your point number 1 was it did not cross this top. Point number 2 is breakdown followed by retracement. Point number 3 is our best friend Fibo from the recent top to the recent bottom. Okay, this is the recent bottom, friends. Okay, and see, the rejection has started coming from exactly the first rejection levels. Okay, same thing will happen. You will see a kind of gap up followed by a downtrend is what we are expecting here. I hope you understood. This is the third reason. I hope you understood the logic behind sell on DIVISLAB, logic behind buy on NTPC, and I told you that we are bullish on Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. And if you have watched the video till now, you already know what to do. Also make sure that you share it with your friends and family members and anyone who is looking to make money and be profitable by trading in stocks, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and wish you a happy profitable tomorrow, friends.